Every successful TikToker knows that social proof is the key. If your account looks empty, most people won't follow. JarveePro is the solution that can help you create an instant image of authority and popularity. This lowers your customer acquisition costs and significantly increases the conversion rate of real organic followers. Let's get into the follow campaign. First, choose accounts you want to use. Then add the URL of the profile. Now, pay attention to this specific parameter. To ensure that all your selected accounts successfully follow that one target, you need to adjust follows allowed per profile. Change it to equal your total selected account count. Now we are ready. Let's start the campaign. JarveePro handles everything. It's a continuous flow of engagement directed right at your profile. Success on TikTok is all about strategy and tools. JarveePro gives you the power to create your own hype and build a massive following on your own terms. Don't let your account stay stagnant. Give it the boost with JarveePro.